Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a thrilling comparison for you: the battle between the Cinnado Security Camera and the AlkiVision 2K light bulb security camera. Get ready for some serious surveillance showdown. The Cinnado Security Camera provides super clear 2K HD live stream, allowing you to monitor your pets or babies in crystal clear detail. The Cinnado Security Camera comes equipped with a siren and motion sensor. You'll receive instant push notifications on your phone when motion is detected, and you can scare off any uninvited guests with the alarm siren. The Cinnado Security Camera offers smooth two-way audio and multiple user support. You can easily communicate with your family and pets through the app, even when you're not at home. Plus, it works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can show off your security footage on the big screen. Overall, the Cinnado Security Camera is highly recommended for pet, baby monitoring and offers exceptional picture quality and easy connectivity. And that's a wrap, folks. We've witnessed an epic battle between the Cinnado Security Camera and the AlkiVision 2K light bulb security camera. Both cameras have their strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your surveillance needs. Remember to do your research and make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting comparisons. Let us know in the comments which products you'd like to see us compare next. Until then, stay smart and happy shopping.